you pick the two of Andaleng? Why you pick two of this one? Have here. There's no darling. There's no right yet there. Nag-ano na, nangalaglag na siya. It's good this one because they are put high, not in the ground. Here in the other side now, why you go to have the people already there? Can you Hana here na? Look how they're ano. We're going to Strawberry. It's a bit far to walk. Oh, look, a lot of duck there eating the worm. They're looking the worm there.
Ah. What they are eating there?
Worm.
You know the soil where they plant the corn. It's just like my country soil. That's where the corn and the vegetable grow.
Red currant. This one red currant.
Where is the red corn? What is that?
I don't know what is red currants.
You want us to check?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Okay.
Okay. This one is a lot here.
Hmm.
So not only the
Ila,
apple.
ila.
Midnight. Why you only the apple? Do you do like that with the apple as well as the meat? Not only one place you pick it. I mean, guys, there's a lot of apple here.
But don't pick that one.
No, this is a big one.
You pick that, the big one.
Oh my God, it's scary.
Pick a right one that has all covered in red.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And that is good. I also found this one.
Yes, it's good. I am doing here. You didn't pick it. You know.
Ella. I'm taking now. Oh, Mamma Mia.
Oh, there's apple guy. Welcome to my apple farm.
He said my apple farm.
It's my apple farm.
No, it's not.
Ang daming apple, guys.
Mommy,
This one we are here now in the strawberry, guys. Strawberry. What time already? Oh, going to 6 o'clock, darling.
Yeah, let's go. Let's pick up quickly and then we go. Come on, Sammy. Be careful, don't step on the.
I didn't step on the water.
You sit down here. This way.
Why you pick the two of Andaleng? Why you pick two of this one?
Put it in the one.
Have here. There's no, darling, there's no right yet there. Nag-ano na, nangalaglag na siya. It's good this one because they are put high, not in the ground. Here in the other side now, why you go to have the people already there? Can you Hana here na? Look how they're ano. Can you take me video first, na, please? Your daddy take me video. You want? You can ano darling, please? Take me video here. Oh, this side not picking yet. The other day. Come on na. Here. Me first. It's not green. I read yet.
But you leave the camera and choose.
But show me here. Look. Here is the red one. Look. Where's the red one? See?
But
This one is not red one. Don't go closer to me. Why you are also let me do first before you. Oh, see, it's nice. Oh, you. Oh, I can see. You like you don't have uh you like in the one place like in the one foot.
that's small, Sandrine.
Wow.
Don't pick the small ones. Choose the big one.
Don't do anything yet. You are not finished to me.
But we're about to close. If you want any raspberries, I recommend going there now.
Okay, that's the last one.
It's the last one.
There's raspberries after.
Raspberries. The next one there.
Yeah,
But it's going to close now, so that we cannot go in now.
we close in like 2
Yeah,
minutes.
it's okay. Yeah.
2 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you. Okay, let's speak quickly and then we go. I stop the video.
No.
But we can't pick up anything.
I know.
Oh,
Okay, let's go now.
no, let me
No,
pick.
Linda, no.
Darling, if you would leave the lid up, you will find the big one.
I got a big one.
Yeah, but you are picking on the top.
I'm not.
They are under.
Give me look with the camera you are doing this. That you are only a camera, not Facebook. Let me do first quick hair.
I'm getting big ones, Mommy.
Yeah, but don't take the very soft one. It's not red enough now.
Suddenly you're picking the small one.
See, it's very rough. Very right. Very right. This is the very right one. Oh, this is oh, look at this thing. You don't know how to.
I'm picking you.
Good day. Crazy man. Ambet. Look how they are a lot, guys. We cannot go to the raspberry already, guys, because it's going to close. So we're late to come. We go to the vegetable first. So that's why we are late to go to the fruit side. So the raspberry we didn't get in. But it's big. Look how big they are. Fruit. Bigger.
Okay, let's just go to the raspberries. Can we go to the raspberries?
No, not allowed. No time to raspberry nut. Because we are going to the vegetable round first before we find it here.
Is it big?
Sayang, hindi na kami makapasok sa raspberry, guys. Because it's going to 6 o'clock. So, we don't know the exactly where is the fruit area. So, we'll go around first in the vegetable area. So, we are late to come to the apple, then strawberry. We still have one more raspberry, but they're going to close soon. So, it's very soon, nearly soon. So, we cannot go now. So, last picking is in the strawberry. So never mind. Next time, next year we go early. We book early in the 1 o'clock. We because I book 3:45, guys. So enough na nak, darling. It's too many sandron picking already. Okay, let's go. So it's okay, guys. We are so Sunwinds eat a lot already. Look, I'll show you. Oh, oh my God! There's a more basket. I don't know how much I paying now. Because different the pay than they are booking ticket to entrance. That is entrance only. But how we pick, it's
No,
different.
pick all
Thing.
the small one.
Yan lang po, guys. See you later. Ayan guys, yan yung ano namin na fruit picking. Strawberry, sweet corn, apple, and cucumber, the beetroot. Beetroot and carrots. Oh my God, how much we pay that one now.
Beetroot, we can leave it. Carrot.
You cannot leave it there because you know that you pick already.
There's something there in the sandwich side. What is that?
What? Ayan guys, we stop already here is our exit. The raspberry is that side. But we are not allowed. It's all going to close 6 o'clock already. So now we stop to pay our ano what we pick.
No, if you reach there,
We pay by ano. Hopefully we pay cash if enough our cash. Ayan guys, we're going home because it's already 6 o'clock. This one is farm shop. So lucky we didn't pick the onion. But it's not much. It's not bad, you know. First time we are only
next
come
time I
here.
will prepare.
Our first time to know because we only know this farm closer to our house to drive. Sunbrin's classmate mom telling me closer only. So 25 minutes to drive. Going home. Look, it's nice house here. I think it's small house here, right? But expensive this one. Oh, I think it's countryside. It's a countryside already then.
Yeah. It's already completed.
It's a sari.
Yeah.
Every year we are going here now because we know this farm. Here's look at the pub here.
No, these are cheaper.
I know.
Where are we going to enter now?
Here.
Huh?
Where we go before?
I think it's
Here.
Is it here?
No.
I think yes.
Sure.
Mm.
Yeah, I think so.
Because we turn like this.
That's nice place here. But not really countryside because look,
Yeah, it's not a really countryside, but they make it like countryside.
I
You
know.
understand? There is a big city down there as well. I think this is where the road closed. Yeah. They are fixing the road. Yeah. You know, to get it. So when I drive,
Ayan guys, we're home na. At least we're home. We can take a rest already. Then for 2 days, we're going away to camp as well. This is our food picking for today. It's the strawberry. How much the strawberry you paid on?
all the price together.
I know, the carrots. Yan lang po guys. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.